Remember why I will tell you, why I will say to you, allow Relaxology first. Allow Relaxology first before the treadmill. Relaxology, give her food. Can you imagine scheduling, creating therapy for weight loss, and the first thing you give to the client is food? Does it make sense? Does it make sense? Do you understand? Does it make sense? No. Because if you take care of the customer's craving, for food, am I making sense? And you create therapy that will use up our intake. That is not storing it up. Activities that will use it up, and part of that activity is sound sleep. Activities that will use it up, and part of that activity is sound sleep.